In this video, I'll show you how to use the AI in Evernote. And before we do anything, let me just warn you, this is maybe one of the worst implementations of AI I've ever seen, but it does work from time to time. All right, so what you want to do is click on Notes on the left-hand side of the screen. And what we're going to do is just write down something random. And then what you want to do is you want to highlight your text. And then I'm sure you see it right now. You'll click on AI Edit. And this is all the things you can potentially do with the AI. So, for example, you can see when I try to do extend, it's just nothing happens here. But if I try to fix some grammatical errors here, so AI Edit, and then I'm going to click on Fix Typos, and then typos, and there you go, typos fixed. And then we can just copy and then paste it in. So yes, that is it. Feel free to experiment with the AI features. They definitely need some work. They might be new features, I'm not 100% certain, but I feel like if they get it right, it can be really good. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.